good. Oh my god, stop! Oh, that's
The TENS machine is a device where pads are stuck to the skin. Small electrical pulses are sent to the device to stimulate muscle healing. Used in rehab for muscle therapy, it has gained its popularity over the years with athletes trying to increase their vertical.
Athletes that play sports such as basketball and volleyball that require a large vertical in order to compete at high levels are buying these TENS devices online.
Although some scientific researchers have proven that this may not increase muscle strength, we are assuming that it does and are more looking at its safety and ethical value as well as its ability to be used in sports. We stopped by at the athletic therapist to ask her opinion on whether it was safe or not.
Do you ever use the TENS device for rehabilitation purposes?
We do use it here. We use it for acute and chronic pain. That's mostly what it's used to help with. We also use it a lot with post-surgical athletes. So after they've had surgery, we'll use it to help decrease pain.
Would you say there's any harmful side effects to the TENS device?
The only way that you'll get harmful side effects is if there's improper use to it. So if you don't have the pads in the correct spot, like for example, you're not supposed to put them around where the heart is or cross them across the spine. That can give you negative effects. Also, if you put the pads on and leave them on for too long, then you can get muscle soreness or muscle spasms after. Or if you have the TENS machine on and you turn it up too high, then it can cause skin irritation or burns. But as long as you're using it properly, then there's not really any negative effects to it.
It seems as though this TENS device is safe when used by the properly trained individuals specifically for muscle rehabilitation. The problem is many athletes buying this product online are not trained and are using it for the wrong reasons. Although deemed unsafe if misused, the risk of injury in performance enhancement has never stopped the really driven and competitive athletes in the past.
Yes or no? Did you ever take banned substances to enhance your cycling performance?
Yes.
Athletes are willing to put their own health and safety at risk in order to win. They feel as if they don't cheat, winning is just impossible.
In your opinion, was it humanly possible to win the Tour de France without doping 7 times in a row?
Not in my opinion.
When comparing anabolic steroids to TENS devices, how different are they? They're both used for enhancing performance and rehabilitation, but one of them is legal and one of them isn't.
Athletes are willing to put their own health and safety at risk in order to win. They feel as if they don't cheat, winning is just impossible. The guidelines on legality of a product or substance is hypocritical. The main 4 questions are asked when determining if a product/substance should be legal or illegal in sport. No, it is an artificial way of increasing leg strength, just like blood doping is an artificial way of increasing red blood cell count. Then again, so are altitude chambers, but they are legal and blood doping is illegal. No, but drugs like anabolic steroids are testable, and they are illegal. But caffeine, also a performance enhancer, which is also testable, is not illegal. Yes, it sells online for about $90, which gives the advantage to people who can afford it rather than people who cannot. No, not in the way athletes are using it to increase muscle strength. This is one of the reasons why we think the TENS device should be banned. It sets a bad example for kids who are looking up to the athletes using these devices, which would put them in danger. We believe that the TENS device should be banned in sport when used for performance enhancement. If anabolic steroids are banned, TENS should be too. They are both used to artificially increase human strength. We believe that if you want to get good at a sport, you should be able to do it naturally.